na akọ kate fancy comedy picture e dey akoto so right na me say
ebusuam de ko piemu ewo eye Accra Circuit Court dey a me na wo ka say dey court agrante eye AY any fancy comedy bill fancy comedy yema no 100,000 cedis and AY 150,000 cedis but me no ka say no bail conditions na montimi emiti ye enti go so police custody na abrante be di nsem bi tuodwa na yentie nsem odi tuodwa no yembra na wasan so ka asem bi e da koma na Agya Kwabena na saa asem no ho ne hia me no enti yentie nsem a odi tuodwa fa eye wontumi FM nipa no ye Kwasia no Emmanuel Kwasia on fa na achim kwa o se wan no ono ne yare mande no 1 week no waka nsem bi di afane de no wasema judge ne di tuodwa owi no san so di become mane eye Agya Kwabena UTV ye ko sa videos ni na mba na ewi a iba be di nkomo ebusua ye nkombra
okay ebuso one say NPP youth organizer Salam ene Moses Abo ene Mebulu ya wa ha ene wuntumi ne mpe for ni ya ba fancy comedy be requirement na eno na ebuso omo ye nti within less than 1 hour e be fancy comedy ya be meeting be conditions na ya de na and the rest no wuntumi one presenter no so I think the judge no wa remand no to police custody to 1 week or so I know na see possible
depend on want me the presenter for say police want me amman bill then I will back up from
yeah I know the case it depend the judge the submission but me say I'm not a judge but according to lawyer someone to say or can say judge to say because of Akufo-Addo regime obi so ye bibisa na or remand no but one constitution ebi article we nti na me yesi o say Akufo-Addo dam ebisi nti na ono so ye dey or man remand say on call 1 week but me who say I decided not in any constitution. So obi di bonia you need to use the constitution of the Republic of Ghana and then remind the person. But I will say BBS NRA next who use for example there. I don't see where this thing come from. So I just say. So
it is a fancy comedy. See or dams of Baba has a
yeah, but our police custody.
Police custody. But I mean to say no meeting bail conditions.
No, to be honestly speaking, yeah, meeting.
Did I mean the bisa much me afamba?
Yeah, this ntina anopo ya egusua sa conditions.
Conditions, okay. Okay, it is right in the kwata ni say for him and any other
others ni nyina we almost nyina egusu processing for bail conditions.
Okay, so what of the lady now no said that fancy and her condition it is.
It's nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah, kaka.
Party paying for akohwa na they say omoye bia won atuma. But they say yankana now more social media any TV station any radio stations you need to be fair to be honestly speaking and then fancy comedy yakwachi ni nyina every one so-called radio presenter Agya Kwabena say who Agya Kwabena UTV asem UTV obi timi betena UTV yesu a the ewiase nyina gidi say ono na eye Christopher sumfo hene obi timi betena mu UTV edidi say excuse my language Jesus is excuse my language, is a fool or stupid. Excuse my language. What Bulldog said in UTV. He take UTV up to date, officially. Mumbi say UTV up to date. Bulldog called Jesus at them. Why UTV at my PA Abbey issue statement say at the Clement say Omun can't the Papa Nebetna the UTV or UTV kind. So now UTV has intent to be sectional TV station because Bonnie Pia be free on my way, a free UTV because Fanti comedy Agya Kwabena say Nkolano Omuhuru no Unam no Papa Chow say Yaman Kolano ceasefire. We will not stop the bloggers for NPP to cease fire because of your negligence. Yeah, mom ceasefire. They will Agya Kwabena up to Christmas first and send a Yabama boys in Agya. We will not stop them. We are telling him. So far as the Otmaya bold and yet interest or a journalist or a stomach NDC communicator, we will treat him like an NDC communicator. We will not forgive him. We will pay. Because of what my scream shorty way edibet to social media. Bulldog did Jesus at them now. They just come now, Nimi answer say, Babe Ekasa, Ekacha Bulldog say, what Jimmy. So, we journalists, you need to be fair. So, I just come now, we are instructing our boys to go after him, not to abuse him with fight, no, but verbally at him. So far as I now, no. No, they can some a good fancy comedy, fancy comedy nam police station present. So Agya Kwabena so Yabama boys na titina tama until say oba pie aba apologize say the oye no na no wan ye ne ye ne so wan ye ne ye nti wo mfancha no nya sa atem didie ne de wo hunu first part no yabama omo titina tama to Christmas time and say na
but is it not a threat?
What threat? Na akọ kate fancy comedy picture e dey akoto so right let me say until say echina obo said the all kind no a mistake nneso atemdidie a mistake nura so na a mistake and also no na wo friend threat na
because in your earlier submission look I say because I'm say one check me for people better to say
Ebusuya so what say papa ya yetie ni video you say Agya Kwabena de almost say so till December. Hey, but you people, I don't understand. Agya Kwabena no boni ben or dia yemwa. Who say the so because heat na no was shit. Me say ande odia yen kan can say kwame ye bua o se wan. That man today he dey cry. He said the way you people insult man. Or see, you menace give am way like ne cry when you so self they cry. He said, Charlie, I don't know say these social media people if you show them they be you. He said no. Where he say they beg you people, it be okay. But if they laugh, Agya Kwabena say, Charlie, the man you people know, the thing where you people do am no good. The thing you people do am no good. See, we go watch that video where the man they talk that thing. We go watch come.
And enchiwo we enkamfo no ho. Me odi ankan kwam ye bo me kan pain radio so say upe omo mo bodewo radio so a entrepreneurship say akwan emrantie maburu bedi ye beka say ye bebu ye ho. Ye kan mo champions akọ so na me kan ho bi. Amasama kwantimpoi NPP maburu ni bia sabi omu bi omani nswade no mu vi say atendie ne edi yinsem nyina no a omu twame adapa ema me maame akuafa ko wi 26 years ago omu di ni twame adapa no de me kan so nyame mfo mo bone nchaw na utimi ti matem mane ka me kra eno na dwumi da na me su na me tresi na no me da na akoba na dwube 12 me tresi na kokunya no ewo omo TikTok live bibi asidanke yankopon se ono apa me chew ewo sa live ho amede ne phone so ache no won hwe so be hwe no ka se ye pa na nyu obi na di na tam kokko na Agya Kwabena de busumi so anu maduru angu ahwe biem hey me can leaders you organize demonstration ewo amasama Kumasi highway so na wutimi tene edi di me maame atem di me so matem sa me awurade me ya radio adwuma obi nkan se mane nhimi say da visa me start here radio adwuma from radio back to solid FM to P na branch na me dead so na nka on me ti me nu Agya Kwabena ho mmobo Agya Kwabena ho ye me mmobo obi timi ka che Jacob say the name said one minute bo you ready yango bo hey
you hear the things where the man they talk it is funny, right? You see, if you be journalist for this country, then you try to be hypocrite. You try to speak only when it goes against where you stand. This is how it ends. When you choose to be hypocrite and you only speak when it goes against where you stand, this is how it ends. Because we are in this country some years back and we could all testify the things we heard, things we saw, people saying. You know, a lot of things happened in this country. And all these journalists were there and couldn't say anything about it. Because, I don't know. But they were hypocrite. Because if you're not hypocrite, why didn't you speak up during that time? During the regime of the Nana Dankwa Kufado's government, school children insulted this man. Where was Agya Kwabena? Where was Agya Kwabena? You couldn't speak up that time. You didn't say anything about it. Kevin Taylor was going up and down, insulting kingdoms over kingdoms upon kingdoms. You did nothing about it. And today, say, you have all the signs in the world. Relax. You've not started yet. We are about to. Just relax. So we're gonna force you and control say, Boga. Next time, do you fear him? Why? Do you fear him? Do you fear him? Why? Send a youth in the bed. How you Ghana and Sam TV. Meeting at the promise.